it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you for joining me again today, twice in one day. I thought I would pop on just to say, as you may know, we are demonstrators across the world are ordering from the Autumn Winter catalogue. It's gorgeous. I cannot tell you how wonderful some of the stuff in there is. It's not all Christmas. A lot of it is not Christmas. Some of it isn't even autumn winter. It's lovely. I can't show you inside, I'm afraid, until it goes live on the 4th of September. But if you want to get product from the autumn winter catalogue, and it is amazing. I mean, seriously, it is. There is an advent calendar in there that is gorgeous. There's a product medley that is stunning. I mean, oh, and one of the sweets in particular, that's a winter sweet. I've ordered everything I'm allowed to order. There's no restriction other than the quantity that we can order. So I can order anything, but some things I can only order one of at the moment, and some things I can order two of, and I have. It was quite difficult to budget, but I've done it, just about. But you can get items from the autumn winter catalogue. Now, if you become a demonstrator, you can even put them in your starter kit. So we've got the extra promotion, which runs until the end of August. It means you get extra value in your starter kit. I will go through UK values first, and then I'll hit Europe after that, because my team of sparkling sunflowers covers the UK and Europe. So UK starter kit, as ever, £99, no postage charge, just £99 delivered. It includes catalogues that are included automatically. They're free. They're free in your starter kit. But you can then order or put in up to £155 of value, and you just pay £99 delivered. You should get it in 3 to 5 working days. And in the UK, and it's different in different countries, but in the UK, you can't place a demonstrator order or an order as a demonstrator for 7 days after you've signed up. So your starter kit should arrive just about at the point where you can then put an order in. I will send out an email to remind you when you can start ordering. It's all kind of happens. So that's your actual starter kit. But it's called Extra because in September, sometime in the first week or 10 days, you will get an email from Stamping Up that says, here, have another £8 discount. And that is a discount off an order that you place between when you get the email and the end of October. You can take £8 off it if you use the code. After October, it expires, but you've got until the end of October to use the voucher, which is brilliant. You would get the discount, the demonstrator discount, which starts at 20%, but it can increase depending on promotions and the amount you sell or buy. But you get that immediately you can order. And you get that until the very earliest that it would stop is the end of January. We do have a minimum target that we have to hit each quarter, but for your first quarter, you ignore the quarter you join, and you only worry about the next quarter. So it would be to the end of January, and you would have to buy or sell the equivalent of £275 of value from the catalogue, but of course you get a discount. So it's not £275, it's less 20% or thereabouts. In Europe, so France, Austria, Germany and the Netherlands, your starter kit is €129. You get an extra €32 in your starter kit during August. So you get €207 of value. Again, anything you want from autumn, winter, annual, beginner's brochure, clearance rack, up to €207. And then the voucher that you get in September will be for €12. But again, same deal, that runs until the end of October. And then you've got until the end of January at the very earliest to make the most of your 20% discount, which takes you through the pre-order for spring, summer and celebration. So it should be fairly easy. if you like Stampin' Up products and crafting. So, so that's great. So why would you join my team? My team are called Sparkling Sunflowers. I have a little thing that I take round when we're on events that says, I've never met a sunflower I didn't like. And it's actually true. They're all different. We're all different. We're all got little quirks and foibles, but they are lovely. I love them all. Some sit more on the sidelines. Some get more involved. I have a Facebook group. We have a monthly team newsletter, a monthly Facebook Live event that anyone can come into. They sit on the Facebook group so that if some of my team are on shifts, so they can see it later. But it means that wherever they are across the UK or Europe, they can look at the Facebook Live and get involved, ideally, in the Facebook Live. I run an incentive scheme for them. Stampin' Up run an incentive scheme, but I run my own incentive scheme as well. And they can earn or win vouchers, which have a monetary voucher value for money off product. Anything that's current. I do, yeah, if it's clearance rack, it's a bit difficult because those things can just go. But anything that is current, they can have money off. And they can either save them up to buy one big thing, or they can use them as they get them and just have a discount. And that's for things like winning the creative challenge. So that works whether you run a business with Stampin' Up or just enjoy the discount. The creative challenge. Hit an anniversary. Again, nothing to do with running a business. It's just for continuing to be a demonstrator on my team. I do give them vouchers for promotions, hitting sales targets, hitting sales milestones, recruiting. I mean, there's all sorts of things, and I do things in between as well that are specials, if you like. But yeah, so I have that. I will have one-to-one calls with them, which we do via Zoom, ideally, so that we can see each other. I will go and sit with them if I can. So if they want to meet face to face, we'll try and arrange somewhere between us where we can meet up. As far as I'm concerned, my customers come first and my team comes second, and everyone else, apart from my husband, pretty much comes third. But my customers and my team, customers first, team definitely, absolutely up there at second place. We cheer each other on. We cry together. We laugh together. We try and physically get together as often as we can. We will meet at other teams' events. We will meet at Stampin' Up events. So, yeah. My one regret, I'm just hit my 3rd anniversary with Stampin' Up. My one regret, well, I've got two. A, why didn't I do it sooner? I should have taken early retirement sooner. And I should have started building a team sooner, because I support them, but I get back much more than I give. I am bowled over by how much they support me and how much they look after me and just do stuff that helps me. If I'm low, they will bring me up. If I've hit a milestone, they will cheer me on. If I don't hit a milestone, they'll pat me on the back and say, never mind, you worked really hard for it and you'll get it next time. They are just amazing. I love them all to bits. I would walk on hot coals if that's what they needed me to do. They are a joy. So what do you get from me? Occasionally a quivering wreck, but the support, any support that I can give you, be that literal, be that sending a card because I've picked up on Facebook that they're low. Whatever I can, I will support them. And I would like to be able to do that for so many more people. We are about 20 at the moment. We are growing-ish. In 3 years, that's not a bad little group. But I would love to welcome more people to my team. They're a joy. They're an absolute joy. So now is the moment to make the best decision. It was certainly my best decision. And you get extra stuff. So if you would like to join my team, I would be delighted to welcome you. The team would be delighted to welcome you. They always give all new members an enormous welcome. So you will be welcomed with open arms. And let me know if you would like to join and would like to see what items from the autumn winter catalogue you might like to add, because I can help with that. My customers will be getting the catalogue as soon as they arrive. So anyone who's ordered within the last year, you will be getting a catalogue in the post in the next couple or so weeks. So do make the best of the extra promotion. These sorts of promotions do not come along every day. I doubt we'll get another one this year. I think the next promotion is likely to not be until January. And this is an amazing promotion. So I will link below to my frequently asked questions and other joining information. If you would like to contact me to talk more, drop me an email, give me contact details, let me know when you're around, we can try and sort something out. And I will hope to welcome you to my team very soon. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and normal service will resume again tomorrow. So until then,